Well, hello and welcome. It's Amanda here, Creative Gardener, and I want you to say hello to bay leaf, my bay leaf tree. So I had originally had this in a pot, and it was growing so well that I decided it needed to be put in the ground because I've been using the leaves, and I use the leaves not only to cook with. You have some issues. It's like, I'm not sure. Anyway, so I use the leaves not only to cook with, but also I use it in a tea. Well, both herbal tea, and if you you only need half a leaf actually. I used to use a whole leaf, but it was just like, if I continue, there'll be no leaves left and the plant's not going to survive. But I take one of the leaves, I break it in half, and I drop it in a cup of ordinary tea, and it gives you the most amazing flavour. It's almost, like a spiced tea. It's just got a beautiful flavour, and it's well worth trying. So she struggled a little bit, but I can see some smaller leaves coming out there, which is good. At the bottom there. And I just have to remember every now and again to come and top her up with water. Now, she has had a lot of rain over the last few days, so I'm thinking she's on the mend. And when I read it, it said that they like, semi-shade. So this spot gets sun up until, say, 1 o'clock, and then the sun is overhead, and then they'll move into shade. She'll move into shade. So I can see where, it's got a bit burnt there. But I'm hoping that as the position changes, where it rises, then it will be okay. And I'm wondering whether, like, this leaf I've just taken off, I should still be able to use it, technically speaking. There's not much aroma coming from it. Oh no, yes there is. Yeah, so you should still be able to use it. It's like, as if you dried the leaves yourself. But it was being attacked by, there was this white, so I have to go under all of them and wipe the leaves. But there was this white insect on there and was giving it some trouble. But yeah, as I say, I think it's kind of on the mend now. It seems to be producing some healthy leaves. But yeah, you've got to try it. It's got lots of nutritional benefits, and it's used, a lot in cooking. I don't know whether this is where they get bay rum from. The one that you slap on your side. When I was younger, the adults slapping the bay rum on the aches and pains. But yeah, this is my bay leaf tree, and when we look up, we'll see, some people grow it as a small plant in pots. So I'm saying you don't have to, you can spread your wings as far as they can grow. I might cut back some of these branches to give you some more space, but just continue growing as you are. It's beautiful. So yeah, that's mine. So I talk to my plants. That's a bay leaf. It's got some lovely leaves on, and we've got some fresh young ones coming there. So that's a good sign. It's always a good sign. So yeah, I just have to keep monitoring it because it's been in this spot for a couple of months now. So sometimes it does just take them a while to establish. And even though I had surrounded it with leaves and stuff to stop the ground from drying out, I'm going to have to put some more because the Mexican sunflower breaks down really quickly. So I'm going to have to put some more down in this area. Okay, yeah, so that's the bay leaf. So thank you for joining me. If you're growing bay leaf, if you've got any tips for me, then please do leave it in the comments. I always love hearing advice or any tips that you can give. Is this normal? Is this it? Developing thick branches, or is it saying, okay, I'm in trouble here? Not sure. So yeah, I'll have to keep an eye. Okay, so take care for now, and I will see you soon.